This is GearTorq, Alva's new motor series of frameless motors targeting geared applications and actuator systems. GearTorq is a longer motor compared to our existing product line SlimTorq. This new form factor maximizes the usage of available length in existing geared actuation designs. The compact form factor and the large inner diameter, made possible by our proprietary FiberPrinting manufacturing method, allows not only for a gear set to be mounted in series, but also directly into its center. Combining that with the motor's excellent torque density, no torque saturation, and high peak torque capabilities allows for an extremely compact, power-dense, and high-performing actuator design. The GearTorq launch consists of 3 initial sizes: 39, 64, and 88mm outer diameter, with different winding options and endless customization possibilities. So, whatever your application demands, there will be a GearTorq design for.